Welcome back to our trading channel traders. This is FX Profitville Legends, trading foreign exchange, indices, and commodities, on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all individuals. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before deciding to invest in foreign exchange or other market, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. The possibility exists that you could sustain a loss of some, or all of your initial investment. Therefore, you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Peace. Today we will be looking at our weekend market analysis on our major pairs. On our analysis, we are using daily time frames, trend lines, and support and resistance zones to help us understand the market's next moves. We then go to lower time frames to get the better entries and stop losses to risk reasonably. We then share our analysis with those who uses our free services on our social platforms. We will start with Aussie dollar US dollar. In this chart, Aussie dollar US dollar daily time frame, we have an uptrending market, with a rising trend line, and a support zone. The market failed to continue going up on the trend line, instead it has broken and closed below the trend line and continued pushing down. So we expect the market to continue pushing down to our support point A before pushing up. Or if it breaks and close below our support, we will wait for depletion of that momentum that broke the support, wait for a retest of the support, then see if we can take any opportunity we get there in point B then. During the week, we will then patiently wait for the market to give us the direction, confirm it, then we would take an advantage of any opportunity that may arise that goes with our analysis. The next chart is Euro Dollar. On his chart Euro Dollar US Dollar daily time frame, the market is going down, it has broken our support and closed below it. We are expecting a little pullback in lower time frames than a market continuation in point A. Using one of our strategies, we will wait for our edge to unfold, then take an opportunity to short the market. Or if ever it breaks back and close above our resistance that has been our support, we will then go to smaller time frames to look for opportunities to buy the market at point B using our best strategies. We will also share that information with our community of traders that uses our free services. Next chart will be Great Pound Dollar. In this chart Great Pound Dollar daily time frame, we have an uptrending market, with an uptrend that the market has respected many times. In the same point we have a support that the market has retested it. We are expecting the market to continue going up in point A. We will use smaller time frames to take that advantage if we get it. However, if the market decide to break and close below our support and trend line, we will then wait for confirmation of a full momentum shift in lower time frames, and see if we can short the market. The next pair will be New Zealand dollar US dollar. In this chart New Zealand dollar US dollar, we see a market that is in a consolidation. We have a close range between our support and resistance. In lower time frames we are expecting the market to push up before continuing down, so in point A, we are waiting for the market in lower time frames to give us clear direction. If ever it decide to shoot down and break our support, then we will wait for the momentum that broke the resistance to come to an end, wait for a pullback, then take an advantage that we would be given by the market. The next pair will be a dollar Swiss. In this chart, US dollar Swiss, we have a market that is bullish. Last week it broke and closed above our resistance. All we need to see is this market to continue up. We are looking for opportunities in point B to buy the market. Using one of our best trading strategies, we will be able to spot an opportunity to take a buy trade. We will be happy to share it with those who use our free services on our social platforms. However, if the market chooses to push and break back and close below our resistance, we will be able to get an opportunity in our smaller time frames, and short the market in point A. The next chart will be US dollar CAD. In this chart, US dollar CAD, we see a downtrending market. We have noticed that our market has tried to break the trend line, but closed below it in point A. We are still expecting the market to continue down with the trend. In this situation, we do have a trade that is on we took during the last week from our last weekend market analysis. If ever we spot any other opportunity in our small time frames, we will be happy to take calculated risks and risk reasonable on a shot opportunity that may appear in point A. If ever the market pushes up to break and close above our trend line, then we will wait for the momentum that broke the trend line to come to an end. Then if we get a pullback in smaller time frames, then we would be happy to take that chance to buy the market at point B. The next trade will be on US dollar yen. In this chart, US dollar yen, we have an uptrending market, broken our resistance and broke above it. With so much momentum, we are expecting the market to continue up, but on smaller time frames we are expecting the market to pull back, and look for signs of a continuation. When confirmed, we will then take a buy trade in point B. However, if the market break back and close below the support, then we will go to smaller time frames. Using one of our best strategy, we will look for confirmation to take a sell trade in point A. The trade would be out before the market reaches our trend line or the support below. Thank you for watching and choosing our channel. Please, if you haven't, subscribe to our channel, like our video, share it, smash that bell so that whenever we post more videos you will be notified. Check our free services we provide on our social platforms. Thank you for your time. Remember, trade what you see, not what you think. It is all in your mind. Peace.